Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm an esthetician and makeup artist at Ulta Salon and Cosmetics, and I'm going to tell you how you can make a homemade facial peel. Easiest thing to do is to get either some pumpkin or some papaya. Either one, both are enzymes, so what that means is they're going to digest the dead skin that's sitting on top of the face. So you're going to get a piece of gauze, lay it on top of the face, and get some eye pads, either some cotton rounds, or if you have an actual eye mask, that'll work really well. Either one. Take some pumpkin, and you're going to actually lay it on top of the gauze. Kind of layer it on top of the gauze. Or if you can actually crush up some papaya, and you can put that on top of the gauze as well. So you could do either or. You're going to let it sit on the face for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's going to give the natural enzymes in the mask time to work and time to digest the dead skin cells. And afterwards, you can just peel off the gauze. It's going to take off all the pumpkin or papaya, either one you choose to use. And you're going to have really nice, fresh, healthy skin, and it's going to have digested all of that dead skin. So you'll have smoother skin, more even tone, and more even texture. So that's a way that you can do an at-home facial peel.